friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our fourth question. What is that? If cosine theta will be equal to 12 by 13. So that is a ratio. So it is like cosine theta, that is cosine A, angle A. So cosine A will be equal to 12 by 13. That will be equal to 12 is to 13. This is in the format of ratio. Don't think these are the exact values. So for this, then find the sine A and tangent A. A less than 90 degrees. So here we need to know one thing. What is the angle? So that angle, what ratios it is there? So let's going to take ABC. Let's take it as this one ABC. So if you, what you can do here is the angle A. So this is angle A. So this is the reference of for these functions. This is angle A for this 12 by 13. Let's take, let sides are, so what are the sides? AB equal to, then BC will be equal to, then CA. So what is this? We need to find the functionalities of this. AB cosine theta is nothing but, what is the cosine A? The cosine A will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse. So adjacent side for this angle. So what is that? AB. Then what is the hypotenuse? So they are given in the ratio of, let's take the sides are 12x and 13x. It is in the format of ratio, but it is multiplied with some constant, some variable. That variable value will be same. So equal common multiple will be there. So AB by, so you can write it 12 by 13, but this is not sides. We don't know, these are not actual lengths of the sides. So this one will be multiplied with the x factor. So then AB will be equal to what? 12x and hypotenuse CA will be equal to 13x. So here this is 13x and adjacent side will be equal to 12x. So if you cancel, if you take 12 and 13, it may be factor with the 24 by 26 like that also. At that time it will going to change. So for that we are multiplying with this. Let's find out what is the BC. So BC, how to calculate? So BC, let's going to calculate BC for calculating sine. In order to find the sine values and tan values, we need to know what is the opposite side. So this is adjacent side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. So from Pythagoras theorem, what you can say here is, from Pythagoras theorem, we need to know the hypotenuse square, that is AC square, will be equal to sum of the squares of the remaining sides, that is the AB square plus BC square. That implies we need to know BC square. So BC square will be equal to AC square minus AB square. We are shifting AB to the left side. So we are shifting AB's to the left side. Then BC will be equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. So let's find out BC. So what is nothing but, so AC is nothing but what? 13x whole square minus 12x whole square. 12x whole square. So this one we're going to take it this one as 13x whole square. So let's going to take 13 means, that is 13 square is what? 169 x square minus 12 square is 144 x square. So let's take common of x square here. So that will be 169 minus 144. What we will get it here as 25 x square. So let's divide this value 25 and square root of x square. So square root and square will going to cancel, this one will going to cancel. Then 25 you can write it in the format of, so let's going to write 25, you can write, so 25 you can write it in the format of what value you can write it. So here that one 5 square and x, so square root will going to cancel. Then what is this? 5x. So this is 5x. From these values we need to find it. What is actually, this is BC. So from these values what you can write it here as, let's find out what they are asking, sine and tan. So sine is what? Sine function is sine A. They are asking that sine A that is opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side for the sine A, that is BC, by hypotenuse is AC. So you can check it here. So for this opposite side is BC and AC. So what is this? The values, the BC will be equal to what is that? 5x whole divided by AC is nothing but they only given, that is 13x. So x will going to cancel. Then what you can get it here is, we will get it in the format of 5 by 13. So finally what is that? Sine A will be equal to 5 by 13. So this is the value and they are asking the tan A. So let's going to find cosine A also. This is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side for the angle A, so that is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB is nothing but 12x, hypotenuse is nothing but 13x. So this one they only given. So they are already given. Next one, tan A. So tan A is nothing but what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is what for this? For the A, BC is the opposite side and adjacent side is AB. So BC is nothing but what? 5x, then AB will be equal to 12x. X will going to cancel, then 5 by 12. So you can find it based on this also, that is tan A will be equal to sine A by cosine A. So sine A is nothing but what? 5 by 13. Then cosine A is nothing but what? So actually this one is adjacent side is 12. So sine A will be 5 by 13. Then cosine A will be equal to 12 by 13. 13 will going to cancel. Then what we will get is 5 by 12. So from these both values, same values we are getting. So like this we need to find the solutions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.